Still in about the same spot we've been for a while, picking up coins. You can see we got picked spots all over the place through here, and sinkers.
29.
29, 28, yeah. Not down very far.
Huh.
Looks like 3 notches.
This is like a low-lying spot right in here.
Right across here. Still down in there? Yep, got it.
Show me the quarter.
Where'd it go? There it is.
There it is.
That'd be a telltale sign of a quarter.
And voila.
Yep. That's got, hey, it must be like Tennessee. It's got guitars on it.
Okay. It's not too old. Looks like it's been out here a while though.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, since 1796. Okay.
Sounds good.
20. Pretty good. Oh, here it is, right here in front of me. I skimmed it. Another penny.
Okay.
Another crusted over penny.
I figured.
Every penny.
Yeah.
Well, that's better than the can.
Yeah.
20 right there, but that's down a ways.
Nope. I thought I was getting a
coin
couple.
next to the can?
I thought I was getting a couple signals.
Yeah.
Yep. There
I got one of them. Water's coming up. I'm gonna go up here where it's drier. We'll spread it out as best I can. Right there somewhere. That it? That's it right there. Another coin. Looks like another penny. Boy, this is penny day for sure. Have you got something right here?
Yeah. There's a 20 somewhere. Where'd it go?
15.
There we go.
There
There we go.
20. Yeah.
There we go.
Down a little ways. Pull it up here and see what we got. You got more?
No. Negative.
I think I got it. Yeah. And that piece. Oh, a little piece right here maybe? Yeah. I think it's in this. It's not this, is it? There it is. That's a fairly fresh penny, but it's just got some crust over it. Sure, that's like a shield penny, just heavily crusted over. There's Lincoln. Yep, there's the shield. All right, shield penny there. Now what you got?
I have an 18.
An 18.
Yeah, 17, 18. So I'm hoping for something good there. A little higher up. There you go.
17, 18, down a little bit. Might have it.
Ooh.
You
Wow,
see this piece
you're
right
quick.
there? Sometimes I can be quick, yeah.
Is it that? Oh, is it a zipper
Oh,
pull?
that looks like a zipper pull, doesn't it?
Ah. Gotta find those.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Haven't found those one in a while, but here you go.
24, 25.
Yeah.
There you
come
go.
around here and see what you got.
Oh, okay.
24, 25 right there.
Woo.
All right.
Silver ring.
Silver ring, there you go.
Silver ring.
Going for it.
Ooh.
I got it. I'm going to go up here in the dry. I think I got it.
Ooh,
In here, isn't it?
sinking in again. Nope. Yep, it's sinking in.
Right there somewhere. Oh, coin.
All right.
So you got a dime?
Well, good.
Yep, looks like a dime.
Okay. Haven't found
That'd be
any
a
dimes
clad dime.
today.
No, it's like second or third one, I think.
Okay.
Silvery shiny on one side. There you go.
Frosty on the other.
Crusty on the yeah, frosty on the other. All right, what do you got?
Another 25.
Well, what do you know? So you do.
Okay, this is the silver ring.
Yeah. This one's silver ring. Is that what you say?
Okay.
I think I got it. Check to
This
see if I
is a
missed
silver ring.
it. Not that. Right here, isn't it? Penny? Maybe a penny.
A 26.
Or a dime.
Oh,
Oh, okay. No, it's a penny.
Weird.
It's a memorial. So it's probably an older
Oh,
one.
maybe
and
it's
copper.
old. Oh, yeah. It could be then. Yep.
Time to go fishing. See what we can find out here. You say she's got the right kind of lure. The right kind of bait, I guess. Looks like a horn, doesn't it?
Burnt horn.
Right in here. I gotta break it up a little bit. It's a little too wet to be digging. I guess I could wash it out. Yeah, I got it. I'm gonna lose it here, aren't I? Oh, there it is. I think that's a nickel. A little orange coloration going on, but definitely a nickel.
I got a 15, 16 here.
16,
Yeah,
17, roughly.
different number. Hopefully it's good.
Should be right here on the surface, not too bad. Sounds like she's getting another one right after this. Is this little blue thing? No? Whatever it is, I'm losing it on this side. I think I got it. Alright, I'm gonna try washing it out. See if I lose it or if it's hopefully not small. More can top. Crusty can top. Fine, what kinds of can slower you been at? Alright, 25, that sounds better.
That sounds great.
Right there, huh? You got one behind me now too, huh? This one, I think, was down a little bit. More on this side though. Gotta get it before it sinks. I think I got it. I'm gonna wash it out here. Sounds like it. Sounds like I got it. That'd be a penny or a dime. Dime? Really greened up dime. I'll lose my detector if I'm not careful. Alright. Got her dime. Now what you got?
20.
20? Okay. We'll take
Wherever
your
it
20
went.
wherever it went. Right there.
There it is. Right on the surface. A little bit of grunts, but you know,
Yeah.
could be crusty. See what it is.
Gotta find the right spot. I don't have to dig too much on this. Right here. I think I got it. I'm gonna wash it out. So, we have enough water coming up here. We can do this now. A little deeper. It is a penny. Right there in the scoop. Hey, I might be able to read this one. Shield penny.
Oh, shield. Okay.
Well, shield. Got a line across it. So.
Alrighty.
The date's kind of washed off, isn't it? Oh, there it is. 21. Here you go.
Thank you. 18,
What you
19.
got? 18? 18, 20. Yeah.
A little further up. There you go.
18, 19, 20, right in this area, a little ways down. Yeah. Still down in there. It's got to be here somewhere.
There you go.
Still an 18. Just way down in there, isn't it? Here it is. I think it's a Crusty Penny. What you got?
18.
Another 18, huh? Right there, about 3 notches down. I think I got it. Yeah, we're gonna bet it's a penny, right? What do you think? Well, hold it over here somewhere. There it is. Another Crusty Penny.
Alrighty. A lot of pennies. Hopefully some of them will be old.
Yeah. 13 right here. Looks like it's on the surface. Yeah. I hope for a coin or jewelry. That'd be nice. There it is. Looks like a nickel. That is a nice little crusty orange colored nickel. Fairly new by the looks of the face. Not that old. Here's one. Anything else? That's it. Fill that one in. Alright, I say the sand's been pulled back quite a bit here.
Yes, I'd
Can't
say
get
so.
up those stairs, that's for sure.
So.
It's good down a good, what, 4 or 5 feet?
Here, I'll go stand.
Yeah. I don't think I use those stairs anymore anyway. I haven't used these in years. Yeah, I'd say it's down quite a ways. 13 way down here. I think it's way down. That's going to be all the stair stuff. I think I got it. No. Put it over here. Okay. Usually when I know them, I'll use my foot because I'm pretty sure what they are. Of course, it'll probably fool me sometime and be something nasty. Is that a pull tab? Oh, that's an earring. Hey, finally found something worthwhile. Actually, could be silver. Definitely a little hoop earring though. Could be tarnished silver. Looks like it might be.
It is very old.
Yeah?
It's been there a long time.
I think so. You want to put that in your container, or is it all right like that? I got a 24 right there, 26. Let's see what we find. As I bump the camera. A little more this away. There you go. There it is. Might be a dime, penny, dime, dime. Definitely a dime. Crusty dime.
Crusty dime?
Crusty dime.
Sweet.
I think there's a 13 right here.
Ah, you did
Right here
find
on the
it.
surface. That's yours is over there. This is something here.
Oh, okay, never mind.
Right there, maybe. Missed it, didn't he?
There you go.
Oh, there it is. I don't know what that is. Part of a zipper pull.
Oh no. Okay.
Yep, white one.
Bummer.
26, 27 right here. See what I got. Still down in there. Should be down a little bit. I think I got it. Maybe. No. Wrong side of the hole. I hit something. More on this side. I think I got it. I'm going to spread it out the bad way. There it is. It'd be a penny.
What was it?
Just a penny.
A penny?
Yeah. Copper.
A lot of work for a penny.
Yeah. I think it's a copper penny, an older one. Yeah, it's definitely a memorial.
What we found out there.
Oh, something there.
I think another coin right here.
Maybe so.
Right about there. Oh, there it is.
Whoop, there it is.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
Another penny.
Yep. Press it up.
Oh,
Alright.
I got a 15, 17 right here. Terry's got something over there, I think. This one's down a ways. Well, maybe not. Wow, that's going to be a tough one. What is it? Is it a coin right there? Crusted over another coin, huh? I certainly can't tell you that. It's got to be a penny. Yeah, I'd say it's a penny. Looks like it.
Try
Okay.
another penny.
Yeah, it could be. Just a penny, probably. Okay. There it is.
There it is.
That's a shinier penny. I can see that one. Shield penny. Date's crusted over though. Kind of heading back to where we started. Taking different lines. We dug up here once. Oh. I think another 15-ish. Another sinker, isn't it? That's where we found all the other sinkers. We just haven't come back up in here and find more.
Up to a 34.
34.
A little bit of grunt. So, I don't know.
18,
See what you
20,
think.
30, 30 something.
See what you think. Oh, you get, okay, you get positive. Alright.
Yeah, 30 right there. What do you think? Quarter?
I hope it's something good.
It's down a little ways. Maybe over here. Alright.
There we go.
Just found another quarter right here. Pretty crusty. Terry's got a 20 right here. think I got it. There's a helicopter. I don't know what that one is. Yeah, just got another one over there. Where'd it go? It is. There it is. Penny shining right there. It's kind of crusted over. Shield penny. Fill that one in. What do you got?
16
16 right there.
somewhere.
Kinda
Yeah, there
jumpy,
it is.
isn't it?
There it is. No, I had to find it.
$13, $14.
What was over there?
What? Oh, that was a penny.
Okay.
Still down in there. Ooh, I think I hit something. I did hit something.
Crunchy. Oh, there's rust. What is that thing?
Whatever that is.
What?
I don't know what that is.
Me neither. Oh, a big bolt, maybe?
A big bolt. Yeah,
Well,
something weird.
we will take it and
Check it
figure
out.
out what it is.
Okay. Okay, that was your hit right there. I got a 2021 right here. Now let's see what I got. Try on this side. Still down in there a little bit. I think I got it. Yeah. What's our guess? What do we got? 2021. Gonna be a penny. Another penny. Like I say, today's definitely penny day.
What'd you find?
Well, I found a penny back there and something
Good.
right here. Right on the surface, 24. Yep. I'm gonna say it's another coin, isn't it? There it is. Gonna guess it's a crusty dime. Kind of looks like it. Yep, that's a dime. Ew. Serious garbage on that one. Alright. 1920 right there. Or not.
Oh, come on.
I had to find it. That one's down a little ways. And here. Okay, I got it. There it is. See it? Yeah. And another penny, isn't it?
Very crusty.
Very crusty.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not too old though.
Okay.
By the looks of it, I would say that's a shield penny under there.
Yeah.
Right
penny.
Right there.
Another penny.
Another
Right
20.
there.
Yeah. And that one is down a little ways, I think. Again, I'm missing it, aren't I? I think I scraped it. We got it. I just felt it. There it is. Oop. Be able to scrape these up. Alright. We found maybe $1 worth of pennies today.
Yeah, no kidding. It's that easy.
One of those days when it's that easy. Yep, another 20. One of these is going to fool us and be something really strange. Hasn't happened yet. I'll take it back. The sinkers have. You can stand in there further. I got it. Should be showing up right about there. There it is.
This is Penny Lane, right?
It's
in through
Penny
here.
Lane. Probably get in trouble for putting Beatles music on. That one is seriously crusted over. It's starting to fall apart, I think. I may have scraped through it. Terry's marking spots because I'm busy chatting. What's she got? Can take that out. Well, she's got probably another penny right under here. Gonna guess that that's what it is, but that's what it's been most of the day. Yeah. I think it's right there. Is that it? That doesn't look like a penny. That looks like, I don't know what that is. That's not a penny. I don't know what it is.
I thought it sounded a little different. Okay. All right.
Some kind of special
Clean
sinker?
it up. Yeah, maybe. Maybe so.
Might be able to rinse it out in the water there. There's a little bit of water in the hole.
What in the world?
Some kind of weird sinkery thing,
Yeah,
maybe?
Or
Yeah, it's got a 1 on it.
bolt. Oh, it's got a 1.
Yeah,
It's
it's
a sinker.
site of sorts.
Okay. Sure
Different kind. Haven't seen one of those out here before.
Ew. That'll be fun looking that up.
Yeah.
And it looks like it's on a string.
Yeah.
That's weird. Sounds really pretty.
Sounds nice. Nothing's right on the surface.
Sounds really pretty.
Okay. Find that one on the surface there? Yep. There it is. Green, can that be a dime? That'd be a crusty green dime. Yep, clad. Clad dime.
Okay. And then,
Boom.
look at the roof damage.
This is 11, 12, down a little ways. Be nice to find that jewelry finally. Man, maybe not. I'll lose it. Well, maybe I took it out already. With that shell? Oh, there we go. There it is. It is jewelry, isn't it? Oh, it's part of jewelry. I think. I'm not exactly sure. There might be more to it in here. Yeah, it's copper of some sort. Let's see if there's other pieces in here. I just broke it up. Well. Aha. I did break it up. Oh, is it part of the glasses? Yeah, it might be part of some kind of glasses. There's the earpiece. Is that the rest of it? I think that was it. So maybe that was the nose bridge. 429 right here.
I missed a 29. No fair, no fair.
Yeah, right here. That could be a quarter, I hope, or something better. It's kicking up a little bit.
It's probably a can.
The sweet spot, I think, is right there. Yep. There it is.
You got yourself a quarter?
Yep. Maybe a quarter. Ooh, that's getting crusted. Hello and welcome to the wrap up. We spent a lot of time searching for treasures in part 1, link above, and in this video part 2. We were out on New Smyrna Beach for about 4 hours and you can see some of what we were able to find here. Usually we find a lot of bottle caps, foil, and pull tabs, but we didn't find any today, which is really weird. Probably since Hurricane Ian went through, it cleared off the top layers, taking most of that junk off the beach. It was pretty much non-stop finding stuff. We found over 28 pennies, which was most of our find today. Most are zinc pennies with a few coppers found. Zinc pennies are 97.5% zinc and the rest is a thin copper coating. Once that coating is damaged, the zinc starts to break down pretty quick. You can see that with most of these pennies. Pennies before 1982 were 95% copper. Those hold up pretty well and are worth more than a penny today. The rest of these are zinc pennies and aren't worth anything. And in this condition, they are really just junk metal finds. Yes, I do tend to scrape crud off the coins when I dig them up, but that isn't causing the damage that you see here. I need to stop doing that so I don't actually damage something good. We did find one earring out here, and it appears to be really old but not silver as far as I can tell. It might be silver plated. We found 4 quarters and all are clad, 6 dimes and 6 nickels in fair condition. Nothing really special in any of these coins and nothing really old. The oldest nickel that we can read is a 1979. The oldest dime is a 1989. The oldest quarter is a 1977 quarter, which is starting to bubble up a bit. We do find a lot of can slaw out there on the beach. Some of the stuff found is shown here. This one looks like it could be an old pull top type can that would probably have either a beaver tail pull top or one of the older pull tops. So it could have been out there for a long time. We normally don't find a lot of sinkers, but today we found all of these. This one's rather cool, large and heavy. And this one is kind of different too, on this style here. And this thing, I have no idea what it is. I think it's a big bolt, could be. That pretty much wraps up what we found days after Hurricane Ian passed through New Smyrna Beach on this trip out. Check out part 1, which shows more of these items that we dug up. We hope you've enjoyed watching. The beach is still cut way down and we're out there exploring different areas and finding more interesting stuff like rings, jewelry, phones, and more that will be out in future videos. Let us know what you like and what you would like to see. If you see us on the beach, come up and say hi. Please subscribe. Leave comments. Ring that bell. This channel covers more than just our detecting adventures. Expect to see a wide variety of new videos soon. Until then, see you on the beach.